Out here on the beautiful Ocklawaha, doing some fishing with my brother. It's really beautiful here. You can imagine it was a lot more beautiful when the whole river was flowing and not dammed, but it's still really beautiful. I'm gonna have to do some more exploring around here. The trail goes further down on the river. But yeah, it's really beautiful. Lots of fish. We're trying to target, or I'm trying to target tilapia. My brother's trying to catch catfish, but I see a lot of minnows. Yeah, really nice spot. I just love the river, being around the river, being around the water. A lot of cypress, beautiful cypress trees. Obviously some people have been having fires here. There's a little trash barrel. Not very well learned on fishing, but I'm learning. Love to get a cast net. Beautiful Ocklawaha. A lot of taro growing everywhere. I'm not sure what the variety is or if it's an edible taro. I imagine it is. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. Peace.